While you're working in InDesign, if you've ever wondered, I want to make a grayscale image, but then you've got to jump into Photoshop or another photo editing software, well, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can do all this within InDesign. So there's no jumping into other apps, you can do it all within InDesign. For those who haven't met, I'm Darren Goddard, and I'm a creative production specialist. Anyway, let's jump into InDesign and I'll go through how to do this. So here we go in InDesign, a quick and easy way how to turn a coloured image into black and white. I've got my document set up as RGB colour space. It also works in CMYK. So what we need to do, the first thing, is to get the properties menu up. So go under window and properties. I've already got mine docked here, so that's why it opens it quickly. So what we need to do now is select the image. So if you hover over, you see this little donut. So you select that. Then we need to go apply an effect, hit transparency, and then we need to change the blending mode. So what we need to do here is go to luminosity, OK that, and as you can see nothing's changed at the moment. So we'll deselect. Now we'll select the frame itself, click on fill and select black, and there you see instantly we've changed a colour image into a black and white. What we can also do is we can select it again, we can hit the fill, so any colours that are in your palette you can use. So we can make a new colour, which will copy that one, and then we'll double click on that, and then we get the sliders up. So now we can just play around the different colours and make it whatever colour we like. So we can make it with a yellow hue, and there we have it. That's how easy it is to change images from colours of black and white or any other colour hue in InDesign without going to Photoshop or any other photo editing software. And that's how quick it is to make grayscale images from within InDesign. Pretty good, eh? And pretty quick. So if you've enjoyed this content, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel for more content similar to this. And I've linked below some playlists for InDesign, Photoshop and Illustrator. If you like this content in a PDF format, then please comment grayscale down below in the comment box and I'll send it over to you. Thanks and keep creating. And just before you go, check out the next video here.